Hello, listener, wherever you are. Welcome to One Podcast. It's a pleasure to greet all of you, loyal listener, and the first time to join. I am Akmal.
And I, Arnita. We as hosts here will accompany you all. So, in this episode, we will discuss a topic that definitely interests you.
Well, before we get started, don't forget to take part in this podcast on Instagram or YouTube so you don't miss the next exciting episode. And for those of you with suggestion or question, you can send them to Instagram directly because we are always so happy to hear feedback from you guys. Thank you.
On this podcast, there will be an exciting discussion about AI's influence on everyday life. Today, we have two great informants. May I introduce James Self?
Hello, I'm Hannah. I just want to thank you for inviting me to this fascinating topic. I'm excited to share opinions about AI's influence in everyday life and how it can change the way we work.
Hi, I'm Puput. I'm so happy to join you here. I have recently observed how AI affects everyday life, especially in education and employment.
Well, our source today is excited. Yes, it looks like our conversation this time will be more exciting and longer.
That's right. You two shamefully prepared and to answer our question.
For sure, I can't wait to share my opinions and ideas here. Surely my friend has an interesting opinion on the topic we're going to discuss.
It's clear that after this we have become more aware of people of things of AI's influence. So there's a lot of interesting things we can explore.
I totally agree. Okay, let's cut chess. I was really curious earlier. What do you think about what AI is?
Well, who wants to answer the first?
Free, whatever you say. Let's go first.
I believe AI is very useful tool for humans. It can help and facilitate many tasks, such as job automation and data analysis. The point is, this AI can make it easier no matter what work we do.
So you think this AI definitely helping and making our job easier? Yes.
That's right.
All right. Now it's your turn to explain what you think about what AI is.
You agree not with his opinion or you have different views so that you have different opinions.
I partially agree, but I think this AI can also make life difficult because many human jobs have been replaced by AI. So, a lot of people are going to lose their jobs because AI is getting more and more advanced.
Well, your opinion is not wrong, but it's not entirely correct. If we make good use of it, it will certainly be of great help to our needs.
I appreciate your opinion. It does help you, but nowadays there are also many who depend on it.
Therefore, education is needed for use of AI well. AI can also help us when doing activities at home, such as vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, air fryer, and also home security, such as using smart door locks.
Work will be easier, but we'll become lazy people because we don't do the work using our physicals. Maybe the security of the house using smart door locks will reduce the gap, but if it is constrained by problems, it might even make us unable to enter the house.
AI is made by humans and also run by humans. So if there is damage, it can be fixed. It must be used wisely because the increasing development of our time also requires the help of robots to make daily life easier.
Thank you, Hannah and Puput. We have heard Hannah's positive view of AI in the makes everyday life easier. Now, Puput, can you explain more about your concern regarding the use of all AI?
Of course, I don't reject all the benefits of AI, but I'm afraid that our dependence on this technology could diminish our ability to perform basic tasks. For example, if AI can do homework at some point, we can lose the habit of cleaning or cooking ourselves.
That's a very valid point, Puput. Do you see any other example where AI can be used in everyday life?
Yes, in the field of education, for example, even though AI can personalize the learning experience, there is a risk that students become less directly involved if all is handled by technologies such as AI. Student social interaction and critical thinking abilities may become influential. It's like being a non-confident, highly technological dependent individual.
I understand the concern, but however, AI does not have to replace human interaction. In fact, AI can be a tool that supports the learning process, providing time for teachers to focus on more creative and interactive teaching.
So, Anna, you see AI as an aid? Will Puput sees more from excessive dependence. What do you think about how we can solve this probably individual?
Education and awareness are key. We need to teach how to use AI wisely so that people don't just rely on technology without understanding how it works.
Yes, agree. And we also have to set limits on the use of AI. So that this technology does not take over the tasks that we solve to ourselves. We still have to keep a balance between technology and real life.
Okay, that balance is important, but what if we talk about the impact AI has on the job? Do you feel that AI is more helpful or threatening the job field?
Who is it first, me or you, Put?
After you.
So, I believe AI can create new opportunities. Many jobs may be lost, but many new positions will also emerge that require new skills. We just need to adapt.
That's true, but this transition is not always easy. Many are unprepared to learn new skills and might feel left out. This could lead to bigger social problems.
Hannah believes that while AI can lead to the loss of several jobs, it also creates new opportunity and position that require different skills. The key thing adaptation and readiness to learn to take advantage of the opportunities that arise very well.
And Bubut highlight the challenge that had to be faced, considering that not everyone was ready to able to learn new skill. He reminded that this unpreparedness could lead to greater social problems, such as inequalities and injustice.
If I might conclude, Hannah looks more at AI from a positive perspective and how AI can help our life, while Puput looks more at the potential risks it can cause, especially if we rely too much on the technology. Yes.
That's true. That's right, Akmal. I believe AI can be very helpful and speed up our work. With AI, we can be more productive and focus on more creative things.
I understand Hannah's view, but I still worry that if we rely too much on AI, we may lose our basic ability to do simple work. If all is done by AI, we will lose important skills in everyday life.
So the point is, although AI has many benefits, there are risks of dependence that we must be aware of. Han, are you sure that AI will help more than harm?
Yeah, I believe AI will help more, but of course, with wise use and proper education. This technology should be used to improve our quality of life, not replace the entire human role.
I agree that with use, AI can be a great tool. However, I feel that we should be more careful in adopting it. Do not let use become overly dependent and lose the skills we are supposed to maintain.
Wow, so Hannah sees the potential of AI as an opportunity and easy, while Puput focus more on the risks of dependence that can arise. both have valid views.
Yes, we need to find a way to utilize AI without sacrificing irreplaceable human skill. It's balance between technology and human expertise. What's important for a better future?
Great! Thank you very much, Hannah and Puput, for this very interesting discussion. You guys really give me a different perspective, but it's equally important to understand.
Yes, thank you Hannah and Puput, and thank you also for the listener who followed the episode. Don't forget to follow our podcast on Instagram and send your opinion or concession to our Instagram.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Puput. May this conversation be helpful.
Yes, thank you. It needs to change you, but you can still see each other again.
With Hannah and Puput, thank you for listening to our conversation.
Thank you. See you next time.